Umaga po, ako po si Ray Leonard S. De Jesus at ngayon, kakantayin po natin ang kapaligiran. Looks, are you friends? Can you see what happening? The trees are drying and the river on the clear are now dark and the full tent. What has happened to our environment? Where will be birds on when the forests are going on? Human King, can you see what going on? Are we waiting for everything to be destroyed before we care? Want to air was clean, the land we green, the full life. Now we see this fade smoke. The noise draw the song of nature. The title will become when we'll write when the what last are memorized. We can't act now. The furniture will having nothing left to see. Let's take care of the world. It's the one our have lost the earth. Then the love of servers, so the next generation can live in peace.